Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everybody, introduce my name is Nasha Shifayardana. I'm from 12th grade with absent number 16 and number is 27620. That's my introduction. Well, here I will present a report entitled Crude Fiber Content Determination Report. Perform analysis of crude fiber content by gravimetric method. Okay, the following is the purpose of this practicum. The aims of this practicum are 1. Know the principle of analysis in determining the fiber content of the gravimetric method. 2. Can determine the quality of the tested sample. 3. Can find out the percentage of fiber content contained in the sample. 4. Can find out of the function of the tool in determining the fiber content of the gravimetric method. Okay, let's move on to the basic theory. Fiber is a non-nutritive substance. There are two types of dietary fiber and crude fiber. The main role of fiber in food is ability to bind water, cellulose, and pectin. Fiber is also part of carbohydrates, which are included in polysaccharides. The function of fiber in food: 1. Is a water absorbed to improve digestion. 3. Normalize intestinal crystallitic movement. 4. Reduce the risk of hemorrhoids. 5. Reduce cholesterol level. 6. Keep the weight. 7. Prevent colon cancer. Bread does have many benefits in consuming. The condition must be according to the Indonesian National Standard, or SNA. Standard fiber consumption in humans: 1. Adults approximately 25 grams to 30 grams. Children less than 20 grams. If you eat too much fiber or exceed the predetermined standard, it will have good consequences for the body. The next is the result of consuming excess fiber in humans, namely constipation, dehydration, abdominal bloating, difficulty getting pregnant, and age. Then the tools and material used: all kinds of glassware, as like glass tool, goblet, Erlenmeyer, funnel, upright cooler, measuring cup, drop pipette. There are two non-glass tools as like oven, desiccator, clamp spires, analytical balance, clamp standard, water bath, boiling stone, gas stove, and spray gourd. And finally, we go into the ingredient as like with flour, sodium hydroxide 3.25%, sulfuric acid 1.25%, filtered paper, ethanol 96%, and less distilled water. The following procedure are how it works. 1. Weigh a sample of 24 grams carefully with a digital analytical balance. 2. Transfer the trash into a 250 ml beaker. 3. To remove fat, add 15 ml of ethanol 96% and stir and let stand for a while. 4. Precipitate. Pour the solution which filter paper into Erlenmeyer 250 ml. 5. Do the next process twice with the 96% ethanol where for the third time the precipitate is put into the filter. 6. Or it could be the liberation of residual foam from fat extraction by the Soflat method. 7. Remove the filter paper that already contains sediment and dry it. Add about 50 ml of 25% sulfuric acid solution to it and stir. 9. Install the cooler perpendicular to the mouth of the enlamayer. 10. Heat the reflux solution for 30 minutes with a water bath. 11. After completion, immediately add approximately 50 ml of sodium hydroxide solution 3.25%. 12. Do reflux again for 30 minutes. 13. After finishing, divide the hot solution with filter paper that has been weighed constant before and a phenol. 14. Wash with hot sulfuric acid and lastly with 96% ethanol 25 ml each. Next, 15. Remove the precipitate and filter paper and transfer it to an evaporating dish that has been weighed first. 16. Dry the precipitate in the oven at a temperature of 105 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. 17. Cool in desiccator 15 minutes. 18. Weigh until constant weight is obtained. And next and last, 19. Calculate the crude fiber content. Okay, next observation. With flour sample, after adding 1.25% sulfuric acid solution, it remains white. When this solution is refluxed clear. After that, added sodium hydroxide 3.25% brown. When filtered like brown, hot pale yellow, sulfuric acid, hot water, and ethanol. The color of the rock later on the white filter paper is slightly yellow. Here's the reaction I show in the picture. And here I show the result of calculation that I got. The next discussion, the first step in removing the fat using 90% alcohol is the function of adding 9% alcohol, namely as fat liberation, so as not to interfere with the crude fiber content because it is an organic compound, so it is only soluble in organic solvent, and the similarity of its properties in the is 1.25% and a strong base of sodium hydroxide 3.25%, which function to hydrolyze unnecessary compounds such as carbohydrates, protein, and other mineral filtered in hot condition. The fibers will clog the paper filter so that filtering takes a long time. Then the crude fiber is switched using hot sulfuric acid to hydrolyze the remaining compounds and neutralize them because the reaction is not balanced. Adding material for strong acid and base dilute alkaline pH by using hot water to dissolve the salt of metformin neutral pH, the final substance using residual fat, and also to speed up the evaporation process in the oven ladder. Next, we go to conclusion. The method used is gravimetry, using wheat flour sample. Based on the practicum that has been done, it can be concluded that weight of crude fiber 0.23 gram, sample weight 2 gram, the crude prior rate on the sample obtained is 1.15%. The weight of the constant evaporation cup plus filter paper is 47. The constant evaporation cup plus filter paper is 47.7911 grams. The weight of the cup plus filter paper plus the sample after being heated 47.8141 grams. Last bibliography. Winarmo FG 1009 197 Food, Chemistry and Nutrition Jakarta Gramedia. Okay, I apologize if there are any wrong words. Please forgive me because we are still learning the same here. Thank you so much. I will close my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.